Xin Chao, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of culinary delights. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming realm of Vietnamese cuisine, specifically focusing on a dish that holds a special place in many hearts, Chao Ga. Get ready to uncover some unknown facts and surprising details about this Vietnamese comfort food. But before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our mouth-watering content. Now, let's get started. Origins and basics. To kick things off, let's talk about the basics. Chao Ga is a traditional Vietnamese rice porridge that boasts a rich history dating back centuries. It's a comfort food that has stood the test of time, known for its simplicity and soothing qualities. But did you know that Chao Ga has its roots in Chinese Congee? Vietnamese Chao Ga adopted and transformed the concept, adding its unique flair. Healing powers. Now, here's a fact that might surprise you. Chao Ga is often considered a healing dish in Vietnamese culture. It's not just about satisfying your taste buds. It's about nourishing the body, especially during times of illness. The gentle nature of the rice porridge makes it easy on the stomach, and many Vietnamese believe it helps restore energy and promotes recovery. It's like a warm hug for your insides. Versatility and ingredients. One of the fascinating aspects of Chao Ga is its incredible versatility when it comes to ingredients. While the base typically includes rice and chicken, the toppings and seasonings can vary widely. From fresh herbs like cilantro and green onions to the aromatic addition of ginger and fish sauce, each bowl of Chao Ga can be a unique culinary experience. It's like a canvas for flavor exploration. Breakfast of champions. Here's a fun fact. In Vietnam, Chao Ga isn't just a lunch or dinner dish, it's also a popular choice for breakfast. Many Vietnamese start their day with a steaming bowl of Chao Ga, finding comfort and sustenance in this hearty porridge. It's a departure from the typical Western breakfast, showcasing the cultural diversity in morning meals around the world. Cultural significance. Beyond its culinary aspects, Chao Ga holds significant cultural importance in Vietnam. It's often associated with family gatherings, celebrations, and moments of togetherness. The act of sharing a bowl of Chao Ga goes beyond nourishing the body. It symbolizes the warmth and unity of Vietnamese culture, making it a dish that resonates with the heart and soul. Regional variations. While Chao Ga has a universal appeal, it's important to note that there are regional variations across Vietnam. Different provinces and communities have their own unique twists on this beloved dish. For example, in northern Vietnam, you might find Chao Ga prepared with a thinner consistency, while in the south, it could be heartier and more flavorful. Exploring these regional nuances adds an extra layer of richness to the story of Chao Ga. Chao Ga in Vietnamese folklore. Did you know that Chao Ga has made its way into Vietnamese folklore? There's a heartwarming tale about a mythical bird called the Chim Lac, known for its benevolence. Legend has it that this bird would bring warmth and comfort to the people by transforming into a pot of Chao Ga during times of need. While it might be a whimsical story, it beautifully illustrates the cultural significance of this dish in providing nourishment and solace. Chao Ga in modern cuisine. Chao Ga might have deep roots in tradition, but it has also found its place in modern Vietnamese cuisine. Chefs and home cooks alike are experimenting with creative variations of Chao Ga, incorporating modern twists while preserving its essence. From fusion ingredients to innovative presentation, the evolution of Chao Ga reflects the dynamic nature of Vietnamese gastronomy. Chao Ga beyond chicken. While the classic Chao Ga features chicken as the star ingredient, there's a whole world of possibilities when it comes to protein choices. Some variations include duck, fish, or even seafood like shrimp. Each protein brings its own unique flavor profile, adding a delightful twist to the traditional dish. It's a testament to the adaptability of Chao Ga to different tastes and preferences. Chao Ga. Tips and tricks. Now, if you're feeling inspired to try making Chao Ga at home, here are a few tips and tricks to ensure a perfect bowl every time. The key lies in the broth. A slow-cooked, rich broth forms the foundation of a flavorful Chao Ga. Don't forget to use high-quality rice, and feel free to get creative with your choice of toppings. It's a dish that welcomes personalization, so don't be afraid to experiment in your own kitchen. And there you have it, some fascinating and lesser-known facts about Vietnamese Chao Ga. Whether you've savored its comforting embrace or you're intrigued to try it for the first time, I hope this journey into the world of Chao Ga has left you hungry for more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your food-loving friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite Vietnamese dish or any surprising food facts you'd like us to explore in the future. Until next time, happy cooking and Xin Chao!